it's Hannah, and today I'm going to teach you how to give a cat a bath. You're going to want to start by starting the water.
Stay away from me. I'll be gone soon. It's just so hard to let go once we've grabbed hold. It's nothing that you've done. You're not the only one. I'm just learning to be.
Oh, she loves me.
23.
Just to let you know, she had rolled in something. So unless I wanted that something on my bed, I have to wash her. So, you know, we have to do this every day. So, yeah, just get the soap, get it all over. Thankfully, she's being nice and she's not scratching me. Get her belly. And look at that face. Look at that poor face. Oh, you look so sexy. Look at that. Look at how sexy. She's gaining a few pounds. We have to dry her. Her tail is so long and fuzzy. I have to wring her out like a towel. She has a bunch of fat right there. It's all just fat.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings.
I know, I'm sorry. I want to get you all dry before we get in a towel. All bundled up. We're all bundled up. Here we are. I'm going to put her there and dry her. Oh, it's okay. She used the last of my Bath & Body Works. Yes, you did.
She put on the heels, put on the dress, put the